Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this channel we follow Jibneh on a few adventures and some daily blogs and some tips for having a Shiba as a first dog. And in today's video we are gonna follow Jibneh to Southend for his swimming update. But before we do, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you want to see more of Jibneh, please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Jibneh Al-Kalb. Before any activities, we normally go outside to the courtyard for him to do his business. Just because between our house and the train station, there's no park or greenery, so we take him out to the courtyard. The journey was going to be a little bit long. It was going to include a tube and a train to get to Southend Beach. We started with the tube here and we will move to the train soon. This here was 10 minutes later and we were gonna catch the train, and this train we were gonna be in the train for another 45 minutes. I do believe this is the longest train journey that Jibneh has been in a while. He did feel at home and was chilling just next to me. Also, if you follow us on social media, you have seen the video where people ask me if Jibneh is a fox, and on this train people repeatedly asked me if he was a fox. There was even a guy that was arguing with me that he is a fox, and I got scammed. The train stopped at Southend Central, and the Central was very busy because it was a very warm day and everyone had the same plan. We finally got to the beach and we're walking to get closer to the sand and the beach. This is the moment that both of us were crushed, or at least I was, because it was a tide and there was no water at the beach. And on top of that, there's no dog allowed from the 1st of May till the 10th of September, I think it was, in Southend. So Jibneh had to walk next to the beach. Obviously, after the train journey, that did not stop us, so we walked through the coast and we thought to check if there's any other beaches that maybe dogs are allowed. Unfortunately, there were not, and we decided to continue the walk because there's a greenery at the end of the beach and Jibneh could have his walks before getting the train back to London. I did some research on my phone here and realized there is a beach between Southend and London that allows dogs. It was going to be a little bit a longer journey. We had to take a train and then change our bus. And I decided to do it just because I was stubborn and it was a beach day and I really wanted him to go to the beach. And we finally got there. It's Throny Bay Beach, I think it's called, and dogs are allowed there on leash. I have to say it was good, but it was not the best beach. It's a very small area and thankfully it was not busy, but it's not the best beach. And we did like it, but I don't think we will visit it again, and you can see here in the videos why.
Jibneh, this way. The boat is here. Come on. Come on, this way. Jibneh. Jibneh, this way. Come on, jump.
Jibneh was a typical Shiba, and after all this long journey, he decided that he does not want to touch the water and he did not like it. But he was very excited to be there because he was very exploring the area and sniffing all this seaweed.
This way. Good boy. Leave it. Come on. Jibneh, this way. The boat.
Weirdly though, he was very interested in this muddy bit here, and he kept going into the mud and enjoying a sniff around the mud. He was going deeper into the mud here, and he was getting annoyed that it was getting muddy, but at the same time he was very curious about all the smells he was smelling, and he was still going further. And in the next video you would see how dirty his paws were.
Sit. Jibneh, sit. What is this speed?
We finally made it back home for a long journey, and not a very successful one, but we will absolutely try again. Thank you for watching this week video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you want to see more of Jibneh, please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Jibneh Al-Kalb.